my first visit to chiropractor. Chiropractor just told me I have my back spine, it's misaligned, so they want to try to censor it. And right now I'm just going through what they call therapy. They put a couple of diodes in my back, and it's providing some heat and a massage as well. Treatment, and he's gonna come in. The doctor's gonna come in, and he's gonna go ahead and start the treatment of putting my spine back in place. We just got over the treatment, just massaging and pinching my back and just getting things right for the treatment, for what's going on next. And now what we're gonna do is it's gonna start cracking my back, and hopefully we'll get things back in alignment and back where things are supposed to be.
The vertebrae, they slide back into the joint space, but they push air out of the joint space. So when they're pushing the air out, that's where you get that sound from.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll just want me to breathe right now.
Yeah, just breathe. Just breathe. Try to relax, and then just allow me to stretch you and move you around. Okay. Okay. Good. Turn this way. And I want you to breathe into your stomach like you did before. Okay. Oh. Now lay face up.
Face up?
Face up your stomach. I'm gonna put a little pressure down on your spine, okay? Again.